For my inspiration for the stove cover, I really didn't have to look any farther than just right outside our back door. Right there is my inspiration. I have one of the glass top cook stoves that's just set on the counter, and I love it. But it does take up counter space, and sometimes I want to set stuff on it, and I'm really careful not to because I don't want to scratch it. I'm going to make, I think they call it a noodle board. I've seen where people will use the natural knots in the wood to use them as, you know, like sunsets or moons. What I think I'm going to do, I would like to use that and use that as maybe the moon or the sun, and that as water, and then find some other boards that don't have quite so much of the grain in them and use that then for like a water scene. And then up above would be more, there'd be another board or two, and have some kind of ducks flying off, and maybe some trees over on this end here. Boy, that's my initial thought. I don't know if it's going to work or not. That we salvaged from the old house on Curtis's 8 acres. And the reason I was interested in these, well, first of all, they're old. But secondly, these are definitely old growth heartpine. They actually smell like fir, but maybe it's just because it's so old. But you can see the growth rings are very tight compared to what you get now if you cut a pine board. Yeah. So these are very sturdy, very strong. I got the scene all painted, and you know, after I looked at it from a distance, it's just a little too busy. There's too much stuff going on. So I already sanded off one half of it, and I'm just going to go back and get the rest, and I'm going to go with a little simpler design.